Alright guys, on today's video, we're doing sea trials in the budget boat. And as you can see, it might not be going that well. Today is sea trial day, so if you saw the last video, you know we finished our budget boat build. We spent $5,800 and spent the past year fixing this thing up. We've got 3 missions for today. So one is get it in the water at the marina and see if we can make it just 2 miles around to the cove that we hang out in. Mission 2, the ladies are gonna head out in their pontoon boat and find an island to hang out on, and then we're gonna go out there and meet them. And if it passes all of those, mission 3, we're gonna go to a concert on the other side of the lake. Should be about a 45-minute boat ride. So if it passes all of those tests by the end of the weekend, this boat will be certified, good enough for us at least. There we go. All right, are you ready to man the carburetor while we try to get out of the marina?
I'm ready to swim.
Not swim, you in the back on the carburetor. So if it won't idle, hopefully you can get it running again before we run into somebody. We're gonna have Nate, Pitts, Kaiser coming too?
Yeah.
No. Good. No. Hold on. No, Nate, wait.
Yeah, reverse. You want to open that up and make sure there's no water coming? We do have a drip. Slight drip, but nothing major.
Nate's having some issues apparently up at the front. Does he need help up there?
Okay.
What was that all about?
It was caught between the 2 roller things.
Oh. We're floating. We're moving. Okay, let's try gear change.
Trying to figure out which side's better to sit on for balance.
Okay. How's the trim look at wherever it's at right now?
You're way down.
Way down, okay. Well, this is idle. This isn't too bad. Idle speed, right? This is the worst oil pressure gauge ever. It goes 0 to 145. So it just barely comes off 0. We probably got 30 PSI, but you can't tell. Horn check. Sorry, Kaiser. Okay, so now how's the bilge look? Is it full of oil and water?
Steady drip. Steady drip.
Put the flag in, man. I think we're all right. Oh, and pull our fenders in so we don't look like straight up water. Yeah. All right, let's give her a little throttle. Let's see what happens here, if anything. Okay. Pressure looks good. What's that say, 20 miles an hour? Oh, hold on. Yeah, we need more propeller. All right, status check. Let's see. We just did, what, a mile? Let's see what we got in here now. Is it full of oil? Okay. We got a little water. We got that same little drip. Is it idling too high, you think? Yeah. Woo. What should we idle at? Maybe 1,000? Let's see what idling gear is. Maybe 800, something like that. right, guys, we made it, what, 2 miles? A mile? Something like that. Old golf cart from, I don't know, some speed bump episodes a while back. It's still going. The muffler fell off, so it's loud as all hell. Hey, do you like it with the muffler falling off, or do you want us to weld it back on tonight?
Nah, it needs to be a little more quiet.
Okay, somebody knocked the damn muffler off over there. What? Goodbye. Okay, so mission number 2 for the budget boat. The girls are gonna go out and find a spot on the island somewhere. We're gonna load up in the budget boat. We'll see if we can make it to wherever they end up. Where are they gonna go is the question. It is.
That's a barrel.
Oh, wow. This really is a piece of the dance floor. One of the barrels fell off and rusted. That's crazy.
It rusted all the way away to the freaking hoop.
Just the hoops are left. I'll put on the screen here the dance floor video if you guys don't know what we're talking about. It's basically a floating barge that we would haul out onto the lake. And it was made of 55-gallon drums. And there's one. You were the DJ of that dance floor, man.
Yeah?
You were the DJ. This is all that's left.
This is an analogy of my DJing career.
This is an analogy.
It's rusted away to the hoops.
Now that we made it around to the Cove, it's time for mission number 2. Make it out to one of the islands and meet the girls. See that? The fuel pump's gone bad and it's pumping the fuel up through the thingy. Ian's gonna lean her out some. Let me open her up. Okay, now it won't even run. Why won't it even fire? All right, guys, status update. We have broken down approximately 1.5 miles from where we left. Nate's got our flag out. We'll represent proudly while we're broken down. It seems like maybe the float's stuck on this cheapo Amazon carb and it's filled the engine up with fuel. Cody hit it with the screwdriver. That seems to have stopped it. But now there's probably 1/2 gallon of fuel in the engine, so we might not have hydro locked, we might have fuel locked it at this point. Maybe? Should I try and turn it over? What are you afraid of the flames? All right, Nate's got the flag out for good luck. Is it still dumping fuel everywhere? Oh, come on, babe. Yeah! America! Woo! Yeah! Alright. Having more. Okay. China carburetor might have been a bad idea. I probably should have rebuilt the original carburetor. This is punishment for me, I guess. I mean, but it looked nice. Broke down once. Do you think it'll break in after that or what?
Maybe.
We found y'all. We broke down though. Other than the carburetor float sticking, those first 2 short trips went pretty good to a concert tonight. So it's about a 45-minute boat ride. It's gonna be a big test for the budget boat. Why are you looking upset? Cody's way up there. Oil pressure is maybe a little low. Got the dog here, got Michaela. But I am getting a little knocking noise. I don't like that sound, boys. That's not good. Let's get closer to shore. No, Cody and them are still going. They probably think we're fine.
Let's see. Yeah,
Yeah, that's a clattery. Oh, a little smoky. Oh no, this is not good. This is not good. Okay, just want to confirm we are at the full mark, just so nobody thinks we ran it low on oil. Oh no, that's a bearing. No.
What happened?
I think it spun a rod bearing or a main bearing, like the race car did.
Oh no.
Yeah, so the whole motor's, the whole motor's shot. I think all we can do at this point, we can try and make it back to the Cove. We're getting a lot of blow-by. A lot of blow-by into the flame arrestor, so that's no bueno. So I'm gonna put this back up. Let's fire this thing up. Let's see. Here, let me get you guys in here. Get in reverse. Oh man, that's not good. That's not. We might not make it. Yesterday when we first got this thing out, we had 30 to 40 psi. Now you can see we're damn near zero. 1.2 hours on the engine since we put it in. Temperature's good, voltage is good, half a tank of fuel. Everything's been going great. What happened? Now the mission is, can we make it back to the Cove without needing a tow? It's coming and going, so it's probably not totally destroyed the bearing yet, but it's definitely spinning a bearing in there. It's 4.5 miles at 2,000 RPM. Definitely hear the rod knocking. The oil pressure is not totally at zero. It's maybe 10. Even the dog, man. I've even bummed the damn dog out. I ruined everything. I'm sorry, Luna. I ruined the boat. Her first time on the damn boat, and she won't even look at me now. At least it's a nice day outside. We're doing 9 miles an hour. That's not too bad. Trying to get to the point over here. Maybe another 200 yards. Oil pressure is still, I don't know, maybe 10, 15. Actually, since we're almost there, I'm gonna get on it a little bit. Blow it up. You ready? If we did that for probably a mile, it'd probably blow up, lock up, and throw a rod out the side of the block. I'm driving it around to the marina so we can get it on the trailer. And it's nighttime, it's been raining. It's not too far, we're going 6 miles an hour. It's still knocking, but 1,200 RPM, it's down to just a tick. Oil pressure's still nothing, but we're moving at least, so that's good. And it's calm now. We've got a half moon out, so it's not too bad. I've got the old FLIR, so I can keep an eye out for things, but at least it's a nice night. It's not too bad out. I hope everyone had a good Memorial Day. I gotta thank everyone who lost their life so that I could drive a boat around in the night and hang out with my friends, so I'm not complaining. All right, we're coming around to the marina now. I'm gonna go dark on you here. Let's see if I can avoid taking out the no-wake buoys here. So the budget boat made it back onto the trailer under its own power, even with a spun bearing. And as for that last mission of making it to the concert, at least we had Cody's boat as a backup.
If it's alright, I wanna kick it with you all night, all night. Have a good time. Ain't gotta worry, cause it's alright, it's alright. All night, baby.
So yes, it's a bummer to spend a full year restoring this budget boat only to have it last 1 hour before breaking down. But there's worse places to break down than at the lake with your friends. We appreciate you guys watching as always, and we're not giving up on the budget boat. We'll find a way to fix it, and we'll show you guys next time.
Right.